SAP Business One 10.0 Administration Extended Coverage. We would like to introduce the reference document enhancements and the attachment tab improvements. For a better visibility on related documents, the referenced document is added to more document types. The menu of the reference document is now organized by modules. The newly added document types are available in the list. If a document is referenced, an indicator shows the number of the referenced documents. When creating an inventory transfer or inventory transfer request from a sales order or production order, the system automatically references the document related to the user's choice. Recurring postings can be referenced to a single document. For a better visibility, each recurring posting that is created is referenced to this document. In the document, each recurring journal entry posting is in the Document Referenced To tab, and the Document Referenced By tab includes the transaction type. These are the supported objects. To streamline the system behavior, the Attachment tab is now available in more objects. In forms like payments or journal entries, an additional tab is added. In forms that had no tabs in the previous version, tabs are now introduced. The original details are held in the Contents tab. For a better consistency, previously called General tabs are renamed to Contents tab. These are the supported objects. Thank you.